Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Nongba Paris jong gari France. Kala saki ya ka Riam tenra jong ki jaj benriu Khasi. Jaiñtia bat Garo. Haka program Meghalaya Vendom. Bala Pynïap da ke jingkershan jong ka Bhartiya Paris Club. Bala Pynïap ba ya ki Riam tenra jong ka Meghalaya. Ya kani ke program layalam da kong Sweetie Jane Pala. Kabadai ke puran ke bapau ha Meghalaya. Ka nong penmi film bat ka nong sandur ya kiriam bala Pynïap ba ya kiriam Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo ha karinsan jong ke partai. Ha kani kasi la peniru ya ki Jaiñsem jong ki jaj benriu Khasi bala Riam da ki bari. La ban ong ki doli ya ki bala su la than bha da uksai rindia. Bat kum kani ka jing peni kadang duna bha ban yo peni harinsan ki ri sepni da ka jing sakhilang ki CEO bapau ka partai kum okatia Louis Vuitton Prada bat Ralph Lauren. Ka Bhartiya Paris Club ka don ya kebenta ka pakerpang bha ban kentiu ya ki culture bat ki Riam tenra jong ka India ha kirinsan jong ka parthai bat ka Meghalaya Vendom kala angnud bha ban kentiu ya ka lariti bat ban peni ya ki Jaiñsem ba pher shaki weipat kiri jong ka parthai.
So yes, I'm very thankful to Bhartiya Paris Club and Mr. Anish Singh, who's invited us and invited me, in fact, and I got to showcase the fabrics of my state, of Meghalaya, both, I mean, like all the three communities of Khasi, Jaiñtia and Garo, and yes, I'm looking for a bigger platform, and I'm thankful to them for giving me this platform. And now I think I can have bigger dreams, and yeah, maybe I can take our traditional wear to a global. I mean, like take it globally and get it recognized, because a lot of people haven't, they only know India with the sari and not with the attire that we have as a tradition. So yeah, I'm just trying my bit, and with the help of a lot of these people in Paris, especially Mr. Anish Singh, who's given me this platform, and yeah, I would love to look ahead and work with them in the near future, and it looks promising. So yeah, thank you. Kublai.